WhatsApp is a very amazing, very good. World app is a what famous application text messages for video calling and recording. We are going to do WhatsApp text centric. For example, let us suppose we bold the text. First technique is how to bold the text. Simply type the static, type the word hello and static. Again, press enter. This is the static. Next one is about how to italic the text, and simply click underscore, and next one is a hi. Basically this is going to the italic the text. Next one is a WhatsApp feature about how to make WhatsApp shortcut icon. Basically you simply click on this button. After that you click on a more button and you click on a add shortcut remember to add it on the home screen. Next one is how to we share the location. Simply click on this one. This one is simply click on this one and you can click on a location sharing. Location sharing is a live location sharing or current location sharing. Share live location for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 minutes, 12 to find the people for around the people. And next is a very beautiful tip. For example, if you find this well, if you like this message or you want to start this one, this message is basically start one. You simply click on a name button and you click on a start message. If you have important message, you can start message for later help, for later find. Next is a WhatsApp latest technique, basically pinned message. You can pin contact number. For example, you simply click this one is a pinned contact number is always on the tab. You can update latest update any, but the maximum limit of pinned contact is a 3. And WhatsApp, basically WhatsApp statuses. This is amazing thing. You have WhatsApp GIF images. You simply click on a emoji button and you have this one is a GIF images. GIF images basically loading the latest GIF images. You can share any images. This is a Merry Christmas season. So for example, you simply this one and send this one. And after that, you can also edit the photo. Let us suppose we edit the photo on WhatsApp. You simply attach from gallery. Let us suppose we upload this image. You simply click on this image. After you have add text option, coloring option, add text option. For example, hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Let us put and type anything. And this is a basically crop. You can also crop the images as your wish. This is a WhatsApp. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe our channel and share the video.